Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would like to talk about teachers. I can't finish talking about them. Teachers are the backbone of the nation. They not only teach us but also guide us how we can build ourselves. In my whole life, I got lots of spoken English teachers, but I couldn't speak in English. Everybody just mocked me and ignored me. And that time I cried a lot. How can I improve myself? But I couldn't. After getting him, I can speak in English. After searching a lot, I got a great teacher. I couldn't imagine in my whole life I can speak in English. For him, I can speak in English. I am really satisfied. Thank you, Harun sir and Dhaka English Care. ও আরেকটা কথা, যারা স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখতে চাচ্ছেন তারা আমাদের এখানে ফ্রি ক্লাস করতে পারেন এবং সিদ্ধান্ত নিতে পারেন যে কোথায় আপনি স্পোকেন ইংলিশ শিখবেন। বাই।